Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Tab E10 and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and I hope that you can see those green lines. I've applied them before I've started the recording because I'd like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work, so they should disappear. All we have to do is to open the settings, and we can do it just by swiping our finger from the left to the center, at least in this configuration. And now scroll down to the very bottom to find Restore Defaults. Let's tap on it and confirm it with OK. And right here we've got the very first evidence that the reset option worked, because our device is asking us about the photo location, so it's up to you. And the second evidence is right here, and it is actually not visible, so the green lines were removed. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.